Welcome to the channel. Now sit back, relax, and prepare to have your human brain expanded. Because today, we're answering one of the most important questions ever asked by cat parents. What do cats truly care about? Not what you think we care about, but what actually matters to us. Forget the laser pointer. Forget the treat jar. Forget the dozen toys we completely ignore. If you really want to understand us, you need to see the world through our eyes. And trust me, we have excellent vision. Let's begin.
Number 1. Territory is sacred. To you, the couch is a place to sit. To us, it's part of our kingdom. We don't just lie there because it's soft. We lie there because we claimed it. With fur, with scent, with pride. Cats are territorial animals by nature. Even in the wild, a cat's survival depends on knowing its space, where to hide, where to hunt, and where to nap. In your home, we do the same. That spot by the window? Ours. That box under the bed? Ours. That one corner of the kitchen no one else uses? Yup, ours too. So please don't move our stuff. Don't redecorate without consulting us. And definitely don't let the neighbor's cat visit. That's not a guest. That's a violation of international borders. Number 2. Routine isn't boring, it's peace. Wake up, feed us, let us nap, ignore us, then admire us, then feed us again. That's the rhythm of life. Cats thrive on predictability. When the world is stable, we're calm. When things change too much, we get stressed. That's when we hide, or meow at 2 a.m., or knock stuff off shelves. It's not bad behavior. It's a protest. So if you want a happy cat, create rituals. Feed us at the same time. Keep the litter box in the same place. Let the vacuum have a schedule we can anticipate and avoid. Because in a world of chaos, we crave control. Number 3. Calm isn't optional, it's essential. Loud music, screaming kids, fireworks, unexpected guests, those things might be fun for humans. But to us, it's the feline equivalent of living inside a thunderstorm. We love silence. We love soft voices. We love stillness. Our senses are far more sensitive than yours. A small sound to you is a megaphone to us. So if we run and hide under the bed when someone slams a door, we're not being dramatic. We're being reasonable. Number 4. Affection, but only when invited. Yes, we love you. Yes, we even adore being cuddled. When we want it. Try to force affection on us, and we'll treat your hand like it insulted our ancestors. But give us space, and show patience, and we'll come curl up next to you like a warm little cloud. We're not cold. We're just proud. And when we do give you affection, that's a moment of real connection. A rare and precious offering. Don't ruin it by picking us up mid-purr to take a selfie. We know what phones are, and we're not impressed. Number 5. Smell is everything. We live through our noses. When something smells different, we notice. New furniture? We must sniff it for hours. You changed your laundry detergent? We'll need a full investigation. You petted another cat? Excuse me, what kind of betrayal is this? Scent is how we map the world. It tells us what's safe, what's familiar, and what belongs. That's why we rub our faces on everything. It's not just cute. It's strategy. It's diplomacy. It's ownership. Number 6. We value respect over obedience. We are not dogs. We are not here to perform. We don't do tricks. We don't fetch. We don't come when called, unless it benefits us. But if you treat us with respect, if you speak gently, wait for us to respond, and honor our moods, you'll find that we give more than we get credit for. Loyalty, comfort, even a strange sense of wisdom. You see, cats don't give love easily. We make you earn it. And once you do, you've got a friend for life. Well, most of the day, between naps. And finally, number 7, freedom. Above all, we need freedom. The freedom to choose where to sit, when to play, who to love, and how to live. Let us be ourselves, and we will thrive. So there you have it. What really matters to us cats? Territory, routine, peace, boundaries, scent, respect, and freedom. Give us these things. And we'll reward you with the softest purrs, the cutest loafs, and the occasional slow blink, which, by the way, means I trust you. And if you're still wondering what you can do for your cat today, here's the answer. Nothing, unless we ask. Thanks for listening to The Feline Truth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, ask your cat's permission before clicking that bell.